It's important that you monitor dogs while they're playing to avoid any bad behavior or fights in the process. This is the type of pattern you want to create when playing with your dog or interacting with other people's dogs. You want to practice having that safe word that works every single time. You want to practice it so that when they are playing, you have that level of control to be able to get the dog to pause for a second to see what's going on and then continue to play. Now, he isn't completely healed, but we are moving in the right direction.